my beautiful humans, it's Soraya Det. Welcome to my makeup routine when I want to feel... Aww. If you want to walk into a room and turn heads, this makeup look will do just that. So all my girls, guys, and gays, get your notes and eye smudges ready and let's get started. I'm not sure if it's just me, but any type of skincare I've tried, my under eyes turn really red and start burning. So I always just go in with my safe choice, which is sunscreen from CeraVe. And that's all I do for skin prep. I have yet to find a good primer. Now I go in with my concealer from Charlotte Tilbury in shade 6.5 medium. Charlotte Tilbury is such a pretty name. Is she British? I think I might be psychic. Anyways, for concealer, I'll just go in on my acne scars and any places I want to highlight or conceal. After I've concealed my face, I'll go in with my under eyes last, and I'll usually just put a little bit just like this, and then a line going up. I always let it set for a minute or two, and then I go in with my concealer brush from Rare Beauty. Remember, tap, don't drag. As you can see, I left my under eyes last because I'm going to go in immediately with my baking powder from Huda Beauty in shade Banana Bread with my powder puff. Remember to always tap it on the back of your hands. One thing I have personally learned about powder is that if you are heavy-handed, there is a chance that it will clump up under your eyes and look cakey. I honestly despise that word, but I don't know what other word you would use. I guess you could say it just won't be as smooth. Yeah, let's go with that. But then again, that is my personal opinion. Now I go in with my contour from Patrick Ta in shade She's Chiseled. I do go in very lightly and just go in two specific spots, which is right around here and the same on this side. I just lightly buff it up. Now bronzer. I use Fenty Beauty in shade Coco Naughty 07. You will see that I use the same brush for my contour, bronzer, and blush because I do feel when I do that, it blends in a lot more cohesive. And then I do put it on my outer forehead. And then you're going to bring it down just a little bit so you don't have that harsh line. And then I do put a little bit here and on the shadow of your jawline. Now this is the part where it starts looking a little crazy, but just trust the process. I promise I won't let you guys down. Blush is next, my favorite part. I use Patrick Ta in shade She's Wanted. She is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. I'll add her here, blend her out and upwards. Don't be afraid to go up into that under eye outer corner. It makes a big difference. And then I always just blend in the extra on my eyelids. And I always love to get a smaller brush and make a line right across the bridge of your nose, just like so. And then I'll go in with my fingers and just blend it out. Just like that. Then I go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Wand in shade Medium and draw a smaller line on top of the blush across my nose. Like that. I always let it sit for however long I do my eyes and eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I always go very simple because they are pretty full as it is. This is how my eyebrows looked before. I go in with my NYX Brow Glue, my go-to, and all I'm doing is just brushing them upwards and into place. I do personally like how thinner eyebrows look on me than fuller, mostly because I look a lot like my dad when I have fuller eyebrows, which if you saw my previous video, that is not a good thing. That's all I do for eyebrows. Now onto my eyes. I curl them completely. For mascara, I go in with Big Lash from Revolution. I always just focus on the front parts of my eyelashes because of this next part. We're gonna go ahead and reach for our eyelashes. And today I'll be using Eloy London. I'll be using my trick that I'll be taking with me to my grave. You grab a lash strip, some scissors, cut right in the middle, use the longer side of the lashes, and cut them into sections. I'll usually just do 3. Just like that, and the glue I'll be using is Lash Couture, and you're gonna put the glue on top of the lash line. Wait a minute or two for it to dry. Grab the long side of the lash, put it under your lash line, on the outer corner. Grab your other lash and put it right next to the other one. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera because I think you guys got it, right? You guys got it. So this is pretty much how the eyelashes end up looking. I personally believe when you only do the outer corners of your eyelashes, it makes your eyes look really sharp. I know this is a big no to a lot of people, but I personally love it. I'm gonna go in and do my under lashes. For me, I feel like it just makes my eyes look a lot bigger. This is how it turned out. Doesn't it look nice? Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go back in with my powder and I'm going to draw a line upwards. And I'm just gonna let it bake while I blend out the contour on my nose. Remember, pat, don't drag. Then I'm gonna go in with my powder and draw a little line on top of the line that you drew previously. And just let it bake as well. Now onto lips. I have tried many lip liners, but I always just end up with my favorite CoverGirl in shade Bliss You Berry. She's gonna always do it for me every time. Just like that. Now you're gonna grab a fluffy brush and wipe that powder off. Now for the fun part that always ties it together, the highlighter. I love ColourPop's highlighter, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one today. I just use a small angled brush just like this. I got this one at Target. Just tap, tap, tap. And I'm going to put it on my inner corners. Do not skip this step. It always makes a huge difference. You're going to put it under your eyebrow. And make sure you blend, blend, blend because you don't want a harsh line of glitter. And we can't forget our nose. You're going to put it right on the tip under the contour line that you previously did. Now at this point you would think, oh, we're done, right? No. If you're done doing your makeup and you feel like something's missing, this. Selena did her big one with this. It's her powder blush in shade Hope. I'm going to grab that same brush that I used for blush and lightly tap it. Yup. Last but not least, I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Let's take these out, and this is the final product.
Wow. Oh my god.
Oh wow.
Yo, who is that?
Did you see who that was?
Who is that?
I hope you guys try it out and feel amazing. You're bound to turn heads when you walk through the door. Thank you so much for clicking my video. Remember, take care of yourself. You're the only one you have at the end of the day. Okay? Bye!